Hey guys, Desi here. I just want to quickly give a breakdown of the trade I took on Friday to get funded on another account. So, I woke up late, wasn't feeling too well on Friday, but I was just kind of hanging into the market, looking at what I could take and see if there's possible setups for me. Eventually, as I was waiting, I saw that we got this sweep of the low on NQ, and I wrote here ES had no new low because it was more of an equal low instead of a sweep. I guess we did make a new low here, but it wasn't something that I would consider, a sweep into upside. However, I did saw it was way cleaner on NQ, so I was looking at NQ longs. So we got this, we got the sweep of the low, and we got this push up, and we created this fair value gap at 9:56 a.m. And then this would be, your entry zone. This is exactly where I took my entry. I had my stops right under this lower date here at 66.65, so about a 10-point stop. And I basically just took it until I needed my profit target, which was about 20 points. I took it all out at 12,300 because that's all I needed to get my account funded. However, I want to, continue the breakdown in case you guys missed that trade and see what you guys could have taken, if you guys missed this first initial rip. So we rejected, we came back into this fair value gap, and once again we bounced. And now here's another bullish order block that we formed on the 5-minute chart once we did bounce off the fair value gap one more time. As you can see, let's move it on to the 5-minute chart. We had this, down candle before this displacement formed. We had a 5-minute bullish order block. We came and tapped into it. 2 5-minute candles tapped into it. You can have your entries here. Stops below this bullish order block here. The risk reward on these trades are very nice, and your take profits would still be this buy side take profit level here at 47, 347 on NQ. And as you guys can see, the next two after we consolidated for 2 5-minute candles here, the next 5-minute candle we completely took out this buy side liquidity and trended up for the rest of the day. So that was a very quick trade recap. 1-minute fair value gap entries, stops below that sweep of the low. If you missed that, you could have taken this 5-minute bullish order block, and if you also could have taken this re-entry on this 1-minute fair value gap with the stops right under the lows one more time. And basically, the reason I took NQ instead of ES because I didn't like this low that ES made. However, I thought it was a good low on NQ, so I was taking NQ instead of ES.